Really taking my sweet time to finish editing this video, but update on the hair. It has faded quite a bit. This is after 2 washes, I believe. So we're in quarantine. I've decided to dye my hair pink. I'm gonna just do it and hope for the best. Let's go over the supplies that we've got going on. Okay, we're using Manic Panic Super Strength Bleach Kit. I'm really nervous about that one. The actual color, water, some hair thingies, bowl, clips, water. We are all set. And of course, we've got some entertainment. Okay, I'm gonna start off by taking these braids out of my hair. I watched like one Brad Mondo video. He said that you're supposed to have dirty hair when you bleach it. I'm in here. The plan of doing this has like made me get my hair ridiculously dirty. That is so greasy, oh my god. I'm just gonna put a trash bag over me and like make it fashion. Maybe I'll go to FIT. Are you kidding? I'm gonna do like a strip test on this piece first with the bleach. The cream developer, another brush. Okay, let's see what's in this. Comes out like this. So there's plastic cap, the actual bleach powder, and gloves. Try not to inhale the powder. It's like kind of hard to mix this. The tub thing is like so small. Mixing is really hard, like without getting the powder everywhere. Ooh, it's like starting to smell like bleach.
Good thing I got my window open so I don't die from toxic fumes.
That would be so annoying if you died during quarantine, not even from COVID-19. I mean, I guess people die every day, but like if I died from bleach fumes, my news headline would be like, young girl who hasn't left house in 2 weeks attempts to bleach her own hair, dies from toxic fumes. While I'm still mixing this, I'll do a little story time. If my hair looks a little reddish, which it doesn't, but if it did, if you thought that, which you didn't, but if you did, I bought like the Manic Panic Amplified in like cotton candy pink. I used to have like highlights in my hair, so I thought that maybe it would just like show up on the highlights. It didn't show up at all, so like I spent $20 on a bottle of Manic Panic. Okay, I guess I gotta do the bleaching thing. Looks like there's no lumps. So once all the lumps are out, it says to let sit for 1 minute. So like that's what the consistency is now. I literally look like what's that movie, that Disney Channel movie? It's like Xena, the 21st Century Girl or something. Apply the mixture to the hair, avoid direct contact with the scalp. It's important to use all the developer and mix only using the brush provided. Do not use any metal instrument. Good thing I didn't use my trombone. Oh wait, that's brass. Okay, it's now been 25 minutes, so we're gonna, oh wow. That is quite light. I don't wanna fry my hair off, but it's definitely working. Oh man, I hope that my hair doesn't fall off, because that would really be a bummer for me, I think. Okay, so we're gonna leave this on for another like 10 minutes and see what that does for it. How do you feel about me dyeing my hair pink?
How do I feel about it?
Yeah.
I think it's weird. Pink is not my favorite hair color.
But you'll like it on me because I'm your daughter.
Well, sure.
And I'm beautiful.
Just because I'm on video, I'm saying
Yeah.
Wouldn't this cat look cute pink?
Call me what you want, but at least I'm careful. I might be impulsive, but at least I'm careful. You know what? Like it actually doesn't even feel like damaged at all. Okay, so that's how that one piece turned out. And that's definitely light enough for the pink to show up. So we're just gonna do it. We're gonna go all in. like I'm all anxious about this for nothing, and that it turns out like super cute and really good, and like, hey, you had nothing to worry about. Why were you so nervous while bleaching your hair? You did so good. You're a natural. You're a prodigy. Brad Mondo is gonna come for my freaking throat, and I'll let him. Okay, the fact that like the bleach has been on the bottom part of my... I'm gonna ignore that. I'm gonna ignore that really hard. Another thing that Brad said was that bleach dries out your hair, so wetting the inside of the bag is like a good technique. So we're gonna listen to him. So after blow drying it, this is like how much it lightened. Considering that I just bleached it and it's not even conditioned, it actually doesn't feel too bad. Yeah, I mean, like there are some parts that are like mad streaky, but also like if I was going blonde, like if my goal was to like be blonde, I'd be pretty upset with this, but I think that it's light enough where the pink will show up, so I'm like fine with it. So I sectioned my hair off, but this is the color that I'm ending up with, and it looks like kind of red, so I'm hoping it doesn't come out red. I'm kind of nervous, but we're just gonna go for it. Let's do this thing. Okay, so this is my most attractive state, but it's pink. So we're gonna wait now for like 45 minutes. I'm so scared. What do you think? I don't think it's half bad. Okay, so it's now 2 days later from when I dyed my hair. It's up in braids right now, so you can kind of see it. I left a couple pieces down, but I really like how it turned out. I'm gonna link all of the things that I used in the description box. I'm also gonna pop in a couple of pictures of like how it looked when I styled it. But yeah, it was fun to do. I was really nervous because I've never done like color in my hair like this. I've never done anything like super out there. And I also never bleached my own hair. It's really cute. Thanks for watching. I hope that this helped you guys out. If you also are bored in quarantine and want to dye your hair pink, and if you're finding this after quarantine and you still want to do it, then freaking go for it. But yeah, it was really fun, and I'm glad that I did it. People keep saying I look like a cartoon character in a good way, so I'm just gonna take it. If you have any questions about what I did, how I did it, that wasn't covered in the video, go ahead and pop those below and I'll be sure to answer them. Like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.